Hey guys, and welcome back to Earthy DIY. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to make a simple Ayurvedic herbal hair tea. The first ingredient we're going to use for this recipe is aloe vera powder. The second ingredient is amla powder. The third, brahmi powder. The fourth, fenugreek seeds, and last but not least, hibiscus powder. We're going to start off by measuring 1 to 2 tablespoons of brahmi powder. So we chose brahmi because it promotes the growth of longer and thicker hair. It helps with the prevention of split ends. It cleanses the scalp and also amplifies overall hair health. Up next, we're going to measure 1 to 2 tablespoons of amla powder. Amla powder is also known as Indian gooseberry. It is great for your hair because it works as a natural hair conditioner. It reduces lice and dandruff and promotes overall hair growth. We're also going to measure out 1 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera powder. Aloe vera contains enzymes that repairs dead skin cells on the scalp and also gently cleanses the hair shaft, removing any extra sebum and residue from hair products. We're also going to measure out 1 to 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds can help to fight dandruff and control scalp inflammation. It helps to maintain the moisture barrier in your hair strands and may also treat low to moderate hair loss. So the last ingredient we're going to use is hibiscus powder. Hibiscus powder conditions the hair against frizz, dryness, and breakage. It aids with the prevention of gray hair and may also prevent hair loss. So all that you need to do now is just add some hot water and let the herbs infuse for a couple of hours. Strain using a cheesecloth or something similar so that you can get all the fine particles out of the hair tea. So you want to keep this in the fridge for no more than 5 days, because if you do, then bacteria will start to grow and you don't want to be spreading bacteria into your hair. And just use as you would any other hair tea. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you enjoyed the video and we will see you in the next one.